Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today for an unboxing of the Fat Quarter Shop September 2023 Sew Sampler Box. I love getting these boxes in the mail. They always have useful things, fun things, new notions, and of course, it's always about the fabric. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll share this month's box with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the September Sew Sampler Box from Fat Quarter Shop. And it is called Rustic Autumn, and I didn't figure this one out. Sometimes I do, but this time I did not. And let's just go through what's included. So first of all, this is a little fabric tray that actually I think would be best used for when you're taking a class or going to a retreat. You can put small items in here, and there are snaps. You can snap it all together. And there are actually enough snaps that it'd be hard to get it to fall out. But then you could put it in a sewing bag or whatever to have those things gathered together, and then you could also just unsnap it and have those items available. So I think it'd be super helpful for when you travel, and it's really cute too. Okay, next let's do the fabric, and this is from Stephanie of Fancy That Design House. She is a Moda designer, and she has gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics. And this one is called Dawn on the Prairie, and it just has some really, really fun fall themed prints. And this is a junior jelly roll, I believe, so it's got 20 different prints and strips, and just really perfect for sewing this time of year. I'll show you the pattern that goes along with it in a second. I was super excited to see this because I love the Olfa Endurance blades. They are my favorite blades, and I will take an extra one whenever I can get it. And so I love to get an extra rotary cutter blade. I love that Fat Quarter Shop puts these kind of basics in there every once in a while that we all need to stock up on. So really fun. This product is a new to me notion, and it's called an Easy Press Pen. And what I read about it was that you take the liquid that's in the little bottle, you put it in the pen, and you're able to kind of paint your fabric with the pen, and it works like a starch to kind of make your fabric a little bit more stiff, which would be ideal if you're doing very small piecing, or you just want something really perfect, but you don't want to go through the whole process of maybe starching your whole bundle of fabric and waiting for it to dry and pressing it. This is just a way that you can utilize a solution on your fabric just in those seams that maybe are extra particular and that you really want to get more accurate. So really good idea for a product. I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, so the pattern this month that goes along with the fabric is called the Grove Quilt Pattern. This, I believe, is the only thing that you can't get separately. It's only available in the box. It's an exclusive, but it's a really cute cabin and tree pattern and will work beautifully with this jelly roll that they've provided. And then finally, the Pressed Flowers block is this month's pattern, and we are all the way up to block number 6 for this. So we're halfway through this quilt, and I love these patterns. They are so simple to use, and if you miss a block, if you joined in late, for example, and you're just now getting the Sew Sampler boxes, but you missed a few, you can also buy these online in PDF or paper. So that's good to know if you are just joining into the Sew Sampler Box program. Okay, and that's it for the September 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. I'm sure you agree with me that there are lots of fun things, useful things. So happy to get a new rotary blade. And I've got everything linked in the description below, including how to sign up for the boxes if you're new to these. It's so fun to get these in the mail. And we'll have all the products linked individually, and that's it for this box. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.